We're here at Bear Mountain and we're gonna attempt to hike Anthony's Nose. Now we gotta look for the trailhead. This is such an awesome scenic view. Hey guys, so we are underway. We're hiking up this trail now. It is pretty steep, but it should be fine. A little bit more. We're probably about half an hour to the summit. So yeah, we'll keep going. No. We can take a water break. Yeah, it's like climbing a very, very long set of stairs. This is a crazy hike. It's so steep. I'm so tired. We've taken many breaks, but we gotta push through because I think we're almost there. All right, see you at the top. We're not at the top yet. I'm dying. Okay, I think we are making it to the very top. And what a crazy hike. It's very steep and I'm so tired and sweaty. And we are not really prepared for this. But we are prepared for lunch. Because we brought rice, lechon, calamari. Yeah, who brings those to a hike? But we do. Here we are. Are you ready, Stella? You ready? Here it is. Wow. We reached the top. We reached the top. Hooray. Baby reached the top too. Wow, look at the train, Stella. Come, come.
We made a way.
We made it. Look at this view.
Mama.
Picture with me, Stella.
Let me take a picture of you and Papa.
Oh,
It's too far.
pictures.
Stay here. I'm not going down there.
There's the lake. There's the pool. There's the carousel. That's where we park. Over there.
Oh yeah, that's the carousel. That's Bear Mountain. That's the park.
Okay, Stella. Smile. Look at Mama. Cool, you made it. Oh my gosh. Okay, got it? Careful.
Wow.
Whoop.
I saw it.
It's good
Careful.
still.
Oh, nice breeze.
Ooh. One,
Yes.
2.
Mom, look, I see the pool.
I see it too.
So, ni Kuya sa flag, oh.
Oh, sige. Hold on, okay? Sit down, Stella. Don't go to Papa. Okay? You gotta stay here.
You need to have a picture here. Wait a second. Stella, you okay, baby? You mind taking a picture of us?
Yeah, go ahead. This is the Hudson River still. This is the Hudson River. It's crazy, right? Check out our reward at the top. Calamari, rice.
Coming rice.
Yes, pork belly.
Where's the LOL? Where's the LOL?
So we finished eating our food and we're gonna get ready to head down the mountain and go into the pool, which is over there somewhere. All right, time to to go down. Should be a little easier.
Wait, what?
Let's go. See you at the bottom. We made it down the mountain and we made it to the pool. Oh, hey there. Oh, okay. Bye. See you later.